Hello, assalamualaikum, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a bit unboxing on the fragrance that I bought last 2 weeks, which is YSL EDP Yves Saint Laurent Y, which is the perfume that a man that a guy that most of the men really like. So this is the set that I bought for 420 ringgit Malaysia, which is equivalent to 100 US dollar. So I very like the smell of it when the first time I'm using the decanter. So I decide to buy the whole bottle, and hence this is the set that I buy. So let's open the box. So inside you can see there's a perfume bottle, and this is the aftershave balm, and this is the shower gel. So I have used a bit the shower gel, and I really like it too, because it's the same as smell as the perfume. So if you have used the perfume, you will know the main notes is I don't remember, but it has sense of woody and fruity, but I think it's more fruity smell in a way that not too fruity, but smells that you will like. It's soft smell. So I haven't tried the balm, but I think it's the same as smell as the perfume. So I really like the box. It's very kind of exclusive for me. This is the second time I bought the perfume set, which is before this I have bought the Bulgari Man in Black set, but this time the YSL, it didn't come with a pouch, same as like Bulgari. So it's kind of sad for me, because I like the pouch that includes the Man in Black. So let's so the bottle is quite nice. That's why for the name of the this fragrance. So this is the cap. It's got YSL. So if you open it, you can feel really heavy. So if you want to know that this perfume is suit for when you going either formal occasions or like going for a date, or casual, is certain for all events. So you don't have to worry if you want to buy this perfume on if you want to use on certain occasion. So this perfume does really suit all occasion. And then I don't know what really to say, but I think that's all I just want to show. So I totally recommend if you want to buy this perfume, so you can get it on your on online shopping website. This I bought at perfume Malaysia luxury perfume, I think. I will include the link below if you are interested to buy. So the price is 420 ringgit after discount, and equivalent to $100. So I think that's all. So if you like my video, you can subscribe, like and share, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.